KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after all the wet weather late last week through Saturday night, a bit of a break yesterday and today, and it looks like we have several more days of relatively dry weather, low humidity over the next day or two, and that really helps a lot to evaporate some of that moisture out of the ground as well. Nice and cool tonight, back to warm tomorrow with plenty of sun, and that's the way it goes for most of the week, although we'll probably see a few more clouds. Next weather maker arriving, we think, around Sunday. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48 as we look at that water vapor imagery. We have one weather system off to our west in West Texas. This thing is going to be weakening and falling into much drier air, get caught up with the jet stream. So by the time it gets here on Wednesday, just a few clouds. Next real weather maker, that's going to be a storm system way out here in the Pacific. So we won't have to deal with that for 5 or 6 more days before it delivers rain and storms to the central U.S. and then us. We'll show you the long-range models in just a bit. Locally, some showers across the area. Up in the northeast, it's a mix of wintry precip as well in the Adirondacks up through interior portions of New England. So for some, winter is still not quite over, but for us, certainly well into the 80s, and that's all we see in the 10-day forecast. As we showed you earlier, all the river stages in flood stage right now, but things will be improving on the Vermilion in the next day or two. Should go below 10 feet. The Mermentau is going to crest tomorrow at about 6.5 feet, and then the water's going to go down there and the rest of the bayous as well. Chaffalay and the Mississippi stay high for weeks to come and likely stay high well into June. So here we go with the weather map for tomorrow. High pressure kind of dancing around across the area. It's going to be in charge, so another mostly sunny day tomorrow. Some clouds, though, mixed in during the afternoon, but by and large a very nice day. The remnants of that frontal boundary way out here in the Gulf of Mexico, that's where that stays, generating some scattered showers and storms over the next few days. High pressure hangs tough as we head into Wednesday. Again, a mostly sunny day, maybe a few high clouds from that upper level system that'll be pushing on through, but that's about it. Looks to be very nice weather as we go into Thursday and Friday as well, but as we get closer to the weekend, we're going to start to pull more out of the Gulf of Mexico, so humidity begins to come up certainly as we head into Friday, and then a storm system coming out of the west. Notice a severe weather outbreak, Texas all the way up through the high plains, but this low pressure system is going to be mainly pushing off to the north and east, so it's just going to clip us, and we do think we'll see a good scattering of showers and storms on Sunday. Maybe a severe weather threat in the northwestern part of the state here locally, not sure about that at this point, and maybe showers stay in the forecast again for Monday, but the bottom line, notice the direction of the winds out of the south. No cool fronts, although a little weak one tries to get close to us come next Thursday, but I wouldn't bet on it. So we are talking not only temperatures in the mid 80s, but pushing the upper 80s to near 90 by the end of the 10-day forecast. Near term tonight, enjoy this. Open up the windows. AC gets a break. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Northern portions of Acadiana, upper 50s to lower 60s. I-10 corridor. Lafayette being a little bit warmer, and lower 60s across the coastal parishes as well. Then after that cool start in the morning, warming up nicely with mostly sunny skies. Mid 80s your high tomorrow. Notice the feels like temperature right on with the actual temperature. That means the humidity still comfortable. So that's the good news. Temperatures tomorrow night get down into the lower 60s, might duck down into the upper 50s. Ville Platte on northward for an hour or so Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon back into the mid 80s for sure, and then a little bit warmer as the week wears on. So a nice pleasant night ahead. Generally fair skies out there, seasonably cool for sure. 62 the low in Lafayette, 86 the high tomorrow with wall-to-wall sun, light east-northeast winds at 5 to 10. And as we move down the road, notice the temperatures gradually coming up for daytime highs into the weekend. There's that good chance of storms for Sunday. For right now, we'll go 60%. It does not look like it's going to be a heavy rainmaker, but we'll reserve judgment on that. And then going beyond, temperatures staying in the upper 80s and possibly flirting with that 90-degree mark come Wednesday, Thursday of next week. We'll see.